Hello, welcome, and come meet some of my favorite skincare products. So, first of all, I like to start out with Glow Recipes Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. Okay, the first thing I have to say about this is I absolutely love the texture. It feels so nice. It's kind of like a coconut oil. I don't even know. It just feels so amazing and it feels even better on your skin. So it takes away everything without actually making your skin feel stripped of all of its natural hydration. So 10 out of 10 recommend. Love it so much. So next I go in with another cleanser. I go in with Honey Skins. I really love this formula so much. I've gone through so many different cleansers and this is by far the winner. It's so gentle on the skin and I definitely recommend it for people that have sensitive skin like me. I have rosacea and it's a really nice mix between foamy but not too foamy. Also, it leaves you feeling very clean and hydrated. So next we have serums, and serums are a great way to get added benefits to your skincare routine. So I like to go in with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. Sometimes I do switch it up, but this is my go-to combo. It makes me glow and just feel really fabulous. Can you check? And on my forehead, kiss my neck. And when you touch me, to give my red skin a little more TLC than usual, I'm gonna add Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum by the one and only Glow Recipe. I really love adding this. It's so cooling and it just really helps me when I'm feeling irritated.